So babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday yung aking batchmate at napakasipag at napaka-dedicated at isa sa pinakamagaling na computer engineering student ng St. Francis Main na ngayon ay isa sa pinakamagaling na instructor or professor ng San Beda College, Alabang. So advance happy birthday to Engineer JR Saragosa sa April 20, 2024. Mate, mauna na ako kasi baka makalimutan ko pa dahil marami na akong PWD activities nitong darating na week. Baka makalimutan ko pang sa April 20 yung birthday mo. So hanggat naalala ko, babatiin na kita. Wishing you more birthdays to come and overflowing of God's graces sa'yo. Sana continue to develop and inspire youths to be better citizens and good IT professionals. So God bless and advance happy birthday.